Hey, bud. Don't mind me. Just one of the first times this week you've walked in the snow. You sinking in, aren't you? I got you a nice little cleared patch over here. And yet there you are, wading through the snow instead. Hey, pal. Wow. We are on day 4 of this snow. I had 5 inches accumulation in this backyard. And it's tamped down a little bit now because it has rained today. And yeah, a couple nights this week it was in single digits, and one night overnight it was 0 degrees. So it was actually colder that day than it was all over the north, and even in Alaska it was colder that night here than it was there. So we don't get it a lot, but we do get it. And my little guy is investigating the snow, not romping, not playing, investigating the snow. So this is our day. This is our afternoon. Hey, buddy. Say bye.